phone?
I'm actually in here with a 9mm pistol. I'm about to shoot the place up, and I think the cops need to come here right away.
Okay, sir, can I have you exit the building?
No, I'm going to stay in here. That's...
Oh, okay. Is there a reason why you want to do this?
Honestly, I'm waiting for the cops to show up so I can just shoot at them.
Was there anything that led you to this place today? Anything going on?
No, not really. I'm just tired of the cops.
Okay, where's the gun right now?
In my left pocket.
Your left pocket?
Inside my sweatshirt.
Inside your sweatshirt, okay. Thank you. Have you approached anybody in the store at all?
Just asked for the address and a phone. That's about it.
You did? Okay. And I'm sorry, what kind of gun did you have again? Was that a .45 you said?
A 9mm?
9mm, okay. Is the gun loaded?
Yes.
It is, okay. Were any shots fired?
No, not yet.
Ignored the officer's commands and began walking towards the officers with his hands in his pockets. One officer discharged 4 40mm less lethal rounds, striking the suspect numerous times, which had no effect. The suspect then chases the officers around the corner with one hand still concealed.
We're on the northwest corner.
Ready? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, right, follow your commands on you. Yep. No.
Hey, hands!
Show us your hands! Show us your hands! Now! Let me see your hands!